method. Okay, return 0. You can also return pass or other thing. Then we define a child class that is circle, which inherit the things from the parent class shape. You can see. And then you can see we define method with the same name. This method will override the parent class method. This method will override the parent class method. That is the concept. Okay, you use the same method name, but it will override the parent class method whenever you call this circle. Whenever you use the circle object, right? If you use, because we have another method with the same name for the rectangle. Do not use cell phones. We have another method with the same name. If you call this one, then this object, this class will instantiate. Okay. Then later on, we define two different objects. One with this circle, one is rectangle. Two objects, and we use this list. Okay, in this list we have two objects. One is circle, one is rectangle. You should keep close focus on this one, because later on I will give you one example and you need to implement this kind of scenario. We have this list. Okay, one, you already know list, how to create this. So we created list, and inside this list we have two objects. One is circle object, one is rectangle object. And the name of this list is shapes. The name of the list is shapes. Then we use this for loop. For loop for is, this is iterable or iterator, which will go to this list and will check in shapes. You know, shapes is name of the list. Okay. So this is or anything, you can use K, you can use L, you can use I, you can use anything. Okay, just make sure you use the same here. So is will go inside this list and will print out what this area will see this method area. First we'll go to this one, and then we'll check this area and we'll print this result. Then we'll go to the rectangle one, and rectangle is here. We'll print this one. Now you need to see this is hard coded 5 for the radius. Okay, radius, and this 10 plus times 20 is for the length and width. This is hard coded. Okay. Now you need to use, if you understand this one, you need to import this library. You know this library? Import math. We have this one, we have this one, math.py. You need to use this one to implement the same scenario, but you don't need to hard code here. Alright? You do not need to hard code here. You need to define radius in the constructor. Alright, you need to use this /init // and then you need to define here the radius. Alright, I'm just giving you an example. Is this clear to everyone? Once again, we are discussing method overriding. Please wake up, everyone. Method overriding. Method overriding, alright? This is nothing, it's not a rocket science. It's simple concept that you have method with same name. You have method with same name in the parent class and in the child class or subclasses. And those methods will override the parent class. Okay, that's the concept. All right.